Hi, I'm Garrett with the Grit and Polish, and today I want to talk about shaker pegs. This is a super easy DIY that only requires a few tools. We put shaker pegs all around the top of the wainscot in this bathroom, and we had a few requests for how to do it. So here we go. The first step is to just lay out the shaker pegs where you want them, whether it's on a shelf or at the top of molding on the wainscot like we have here. We centered them in the vertical dimension on the molding, and then we spaced them about 12 inches apart horizontally and adjusted so that they would be centered in each space that was kind of the section that they were in on the wall. Once you have the layout, you can use a drill with a Forstner bit to create a hole for the doweled end of the shaker peg. A Forstner bit is just a special type of drill bit that makes a really clean, even hole. For these shaker pegs, we used a 1/2 inch Forstner bit. I did end up having to wobble the drill a little bit as I was making the hole to create just a slightly larger diameter hole that helped fit the doweled end a little bit better than a true 1/2 inch hole. Do a light clean out on the hole and then add just enough construction adhesive that you can see it just start to squish out as you seat the shaker peg in the hole. Once you have your shaker pegs installed, just wait for the glue to cure and then you can paint or stain them as you need for your space. That's how to do a shaker peg shelf with the Grit and Polish. All of the tools and materials needed for this project are linked in the description. Visit thegritandpolish.com for more DIYs, home renovation, and design. We've got more coming up from the farmhouse next year, so stay tuned.